Hello everyone, welcome to this presentation on critical factors in aircraft financing. Aircraft financing is a complex process that involves multiple stakeholder, financial structures, and risk consideration. Whether it's an airliner, a lessor, or a financial institution, understanding the key factors that influence aircraft financing is very crucial. In this video, I will walk you through the most critical elements that determines the success challenges of financing an aircraft. Let's begin. First, let's talk about the financial aspect. Aircraft financing depends heavily on loan terms and interest rates. The choice between fixed and floating interest rate can impact overall costs. Another key element is the credit worthiness of the borrower. Lenders carefully assess the financial health, cash flow, credit rating of an airline or a leasing company before approving financing. Financing can take various forms such as operating lease, finances lease, direct loans, or even capital market instrument. Each structure has its own benefit and risk depending on the financial goal of the borrower. Risk management. Risk management is a crucial part of aircraft financing. On the bigger risk, lenders consider is the lessee or operator risk, the financial stability of the airline or company leasing the aircraft. Another major factor is macroeconomic risk. Economic downturn, fuel price fluctuation, and currency exchange rates can significantly impact an airline's ability to repay loans or lease payment. Regulatory compliance is another aspect of risk management. Aircraft must meet regulation such as ICAO, FAA, or CAAM regulation to remain operational and avoid penalty. Additionally, aircraft repossession laws such as the Cape Town Convention play a vital role in protecting lessors and financiers in case of default. Aircraft-specific consideration. The aircraft itself is a major factor in financing decision. Newer aircraft model with advanced fuel efficiency and lower emission are more desirable, making them easier to finance. On the other hand, older aircraft may come with higher maintenance costs and lower residual value, making them a riskier investment. Lease and contractual consideration. Lease agreement dictates the financial and operational terms of an aircraft. Operating lease allow airlines to use aircraft without ownership, whereas finance lease provide a pathway to ownership. Another crucial factor is maintenance and return condition. Lessors require aircraft to be returned in a specific condition to maintain residual value. Furthermore, insurance policies covering hull damage and third-party liabilities are mandatory to protect both lessees and lessors. To summarize, aircraft financing is influenced by multiple critical factors, including financial consideration, risk management, aircraft-specific attributes, and lease agreements. Lenders and lessors must carefully evaluate this aspect to ensure a profitable and secure investment. I hope this presentation has provided valuable insight into the complexities of aircraft financing. Thank you for watching and feel free to reach out with any question. Safe travel and safe flight.